Think regular shoes are enough for a construction site? Think again. Construction workers face falling tools, sharp nails, slippery surfaces, and uneven ground every day. One wrong step can lead to serious foot injuries. That's where high ankle safety shoes make a difference. They provide superior ankle support, reduce the risk of slips and sprains, and protect your feet in demanding work environments. Certified steel toe shoes for men feature impact-resistant toe caps, puncture-resistant soles, and slip-resistant outsoles to keep you safe and comfortable throughout long working hours. Before you buy industrial safety shoes, always check for EN ISO 20345 and IS 15298 certifications to ensure reliable protection on every job. Choose certified footwear from a trusted safety shoes manufacturer in India. Protect every step, work with confidence, and stay safe every day.